we plan many things for the holidays. Like we plan to install a new habit, to learn a new skill, to start a new business, to maintain productivity, and many of the things. But in the holidays, we found ourselves just relaxing, just laid back, and at the end of the day, we have achieved nothing. So if you are struggling these issues, then this video is for you. So without wasting time, let's jump into the video. Okay, so in order to achieve the productivity, the first step I would suggest to you is having the self-actualization session. Like what we have to do is just sit for 10 to 15 minutes and do some introspection in your mind. Like answer some question like what you want to achieve, how you want to achieve, why you want to achieve. Also answer some questions like where you are doing wrong, how you are doing wrong. Having this session will give you the clarity. It can also give the reality check to your mind, and it's very obvious that you will feel sad, you will feel hatred for your own self and some bad feelings. But trust me, these feelings are temporary, and these feelings will push you harder. These feelings make you do some extra work towards your goals, towards your improvement. So these are good things. After gaining the clarity, the next step I will suggest is have a good morning routine. It's like wake up earlier, do some exercise, do some kind of meditation, yoga, have a healthy breakfast, and have a specific morning routine. This will help you feel more energetic, and this energy will remain throughout the day. You will feel more happy, you will feel more enthusiastic. And if you feel so, then you will push yourself more hard towards your goal. You'll able to do some extra work because your energy will boost. I will say that if you have planned some tasks and some important work, then do it in the morning, because in the morning we have the most energy and we can provide the more efficient work. We'll able to do work more effectively. And yes, if we have done the most important thing in morning, then we'll feel more released and relaxed throughout the day. Third step I will suggest is do some rituals. And here rituals means some activity, some action that you do on regular basis, and that just make your brain calm down, zone out, and recharge and regain your own self. It could be anything, like it could be a positive self-talk, it could be affirmations, it could be a puja kind of thing, it could be a hobby like singing, dancing that makes you feel happy and that makes you feel expressed. Also, these rituals are very easy to perform activity. So after completing these rituals on the daily basis now, you'll feel motivated, positive, hopeful, and optimistic. It will also help us in feeling the sense of self-trust, self-esteem as we do complete the small tasks. And also it will help us in maintain the discipline, the productivity, and proactivity towards our goal. The fourth step is plan according to your energy pattern. Here we have to understand that our brain follows the specific energy pattern, and it goes like we have the most energy when we have just woke up, and it reduces throughout the day. So we have to perform the most important task at the time we have the most energy, and after some while we have to recharge our own self. It could be by having a small nap or having a small relaxing session, and after taking that relaxing session we have recharged our own self. So after that we can also perform the important task. So yes, we have to schedule according to our energy pattern, and we have to understand our energy pattern. The fifth step is regular motivation. Here I am saying the regular motivation. not just the motivation. So there's a reason. If we are gaining the motivation on the regular basis now, we will feel positive, hopeful, and optimistic toward our goals on the regular basis. It's a human tendency that we'll feel depressed and we'll feel sad after some while. So motivation is very important to regain the positivity and that hope again. So motivation help you in this scenario. And also, if we are gaining this motivation on regular basis now, then it will help us in maintaining the discipline. So yes, so here we can gain the motivation by simple actions, like we can watch a motivation video on YouTube. We can also hear the podcast. We can also read a motivation book, motivation quotes. We can do something like vision board, diaries, and all of this stuff. So this was all the 5 steps that will help you in turning your unproductive holidays into productive and effective holidays. And thank you for watching this video, and see you in the next video. Till that, bye bye.